Hi all, welcome to today's video. So we have been seeing about AI project cycle. So in AI project cycle, you know how to scope a problem, find what is the problem and how to acquire the data, how to clean the data, and you have come up with the best algorithm which will suit your model by evaluating techniques. So now you are going to finalize the model and you are going to deploy. So while deploying your model, what are all the important steps you have to keep in your mind so that it will be helpful. Yeah, that's we'll see in today's topic. So coming to the deployment stage, so these are the next steps which you have to consider while deploying your model. So first one is testing and validation. What is testing and validation? So before you are releasing your model to the public, it undergoes a final round of validation. Okay, with the testing data, you provide the model before it is released to the public. So that is what we call it as testing and validation. And you validate whether it provides accurate and correct reliable results. So that is what we call it as testing and validation phase. So once this testing and validation phase is done, next we move on to integration. What is integration? If already in case you might have developed an application, if an AI model has to be integrated with an existing application, we call it as integration. Okay, so for example, Amazon is there. So previously, before artificial intelligence came into existence, it was not having this type of model. But once, if they want to integrate new AI model to their existing applications, we can just go ahead and feed accordingly. Okay, that is what we see it in the second phase. The AI model is integrated with the existing system, such as being built into multiple mobile applications or website interface. Okay, so this we call it as integration phase. So after integration phase, once your AI model is up and running, okay, so you have done the testing and validation, it provides correct and accurate results with your testing data, and now you release to the public. How you release to the public? It can be of a new website or it can be into an existing application. You try to integrate the AI model into your existing mobile application or your website. Okay, once this integration is done, then the last phase is monitoring and maintenance. So this is very, very important. As a AI developer, once you release the AI model, you have to monitor it on a regular basis. So once the solution is live, it requires continuous oversight to ensure it remains functional, handles new data accurately, and undergoes regular maintenance. So what happens when there is a bug? We have to go ahead and we have to fix it. So that part, only when we try to monitor these apps and AI model, we will try to find that there is a bug, it is not providing correct results. So that is why we need this last phase is very, very important. So once the solution is live, it requires continuous oversight to ensure it remains functional. Okay, and the data is also provided correctly, and it has to be done in a regular maintenance. And so these are the three phases in the deployment stage. So number one is testing and validation, and once it is done, you integrate with the existing app or to a new app, and then you try to monitor and you maintain. You do a continuous oversight over the AI model which has been deployed. So these are the three phases. I would say three next steps after the model is deployed. And I want to discuss about two more examples so that it will remain, you will be able to remember when it is required. Okay, so one type of AI model, right? So it is called personalized education. So as of now, you know, we all students, we might have different likeness towards different subjects, different abilities and different skill sets. So all these are different. So how can the same education, one classroom can be enough for all the students? So that is where we come up with this AI model called personalized education. So if you see here, it will ask for your skill sets and it will ask for your interest in subjects, and accordingly it will prepare its own contents and it will give you. So it depends on people to people, student to student. So that we call it, that is one of the main, it can be one of the benefits of AI. Okay, and then second one is treating preventable blindness. So I would say, like for example, if somebody, okay, his health is getting down and he is a daily wage worker, okay, and he is having some problem in his eyesight. So if he is in a rural area, number one, he is a daily wage, so he will not have the time to go to an urban hospital and he look up for his eye. Okay, so what happens in the daily run, he will go into blindness. It will result in blindness if he is not checking at the correct time. So what happens, so the government is planning to install AI powered, what if we install these type of AI powered eye screening tools in vision centers in rural areas. Okay, so these people who are trying, who does not have much time, they will come to these vision centers and AI powered missions will be there for them to check their eye and assistance will be there. So this has been already implemented in Arvind Eye Hospital in Tamil Nadu. So this has been a very good initiative done by the government to improve the AI powered technology, and this is how we try to find a problem and provide the solution.